Hi you guys, so welcome back to another one of my natural hair tutorials. Today I'm going to show you guys how I accomplished this big jumbo cornrow on my natural hair with curly ends extensions. Okay, so I started off on a dirty hair. This is not a freshly washed hair, and I already did one side, so I basically just parted it into two sections, and now I'm going to fully detangle my hair. What I do is I apply a lot of water just to get my hair moisturized first before I start clearing it out and detangling it, just so I can be able to easily detangle my hair. And then I'm gonna basically go in with this Contour Moisturizing Twist and Lock Gel. This is a nice gel, you guys, for my hair to loosen up. Normally I would put leave-in conditioner, but not today. I'm just using this gel just so I could have all my frizz well tucked in. So after that, I'm gonna basically separate my section here in two so I could better, get a handle of, easily detangle my hair, and having it in section is much more easier for me. So this is where I'm just basically detangling my hair, and this is very important, you guys. In order to accomplish this big jumbo cornrow, you want to make sure that you could be able to pass your finger through your hair. So it's best to get it fully detangled, and that should be, good enough for you to be able to easily do your cornrows. So I'm just basically twisting my hair to keep it well moisturized, you guys. After a couple seconds, I just basically loose it out, and after that I try to go over my hair again with my finger just to make sure it's nice and detangled and ready to be cornrowed. Okay. You gotta make sure, because this is very important. When you're braiding your hair, you don't want to come across no detangle. It's gonna be really rough for you to braid your hair when it's tangled. So these are the two products that I'm going to be using. These are the Moisturizing products. The first one is the beeswax. This is very good. A lot of people use this on locks, and also I'm going to be using the edge wax. This is also edge control, so this is really good. I'm going to go in with my edge wax first. I'm going to apply the edge wax straight around the base, right there at the root, around this whole section, from the back around to the bottom, at the front, everywhere, you guys. You gotta make sure that this is well applied, because you don't want no frizz, and you want your cornrow to look nice and neat. Next, I'm gonna be using my Eco Gel today. This is argan oil, you guys. I love this gel. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this gel and basically apply at the middle, going on to the ending of my hair, just to make sure any extra frizz is, tucked in well. We all know we need a brush for this, just to make sure we brush all these products in really well. And you could go over your hair again one more time. I'm basically just stretching it out with the comb, the direction of how I want my cornrow to be. Okay, you guys, so let us get started with this cornrow. So I normally start with a small section in the front, and then I divide that small section into 3 little sections and go from there. So you guys, you gotta literally watch carefully, because I'm not gonna be explaining in depth on how to cornrow. This is just the basic, okay? So I'm using my index and my thumb finger to do all the work. The other 3 fingers are my helper. So I'm using my left index finger to grab hair from the right and my right index finger to grab hair from the left. So as you guys can see, while I'm braiding, my index finger basically go under and over. Under and over, and then as I'm going, I'm grabbing hair from each side. So that's all I did, you guys. As I said, this is not an informative video of how to cornrow, so you would literally basically just have to go by visual of this video. You guys see how nice and smooth the cornrow look? My edges are looking fine, because you really have to take your time when you're doing jumbo braids. I'm at the back here. This is where you guys can see basically how I'm grabbing from each side, and as I'm going by, I'm using my hands to clear my ends just so my hair don't be tangled. So under and over, you guys, that's the technique. Under, over, grab hair from each side. Simple. Okay, you guys, so we're not gonna braid the hair all the way down. We're just gonna stop right there, and then we're gonna apply a rubber band right there. Then we're gonna go ahead and clear that end completely clear it out. And to prevent that hair from frizzing, we're gonna just apply a little bit of Eco Styling Gel. Next, you guys, this is our extension that we're gonna be using. This is very old, you guys. I can't tell you guys the name because I don't remember. So I'm just gonna take like 7 of these little babies right here and put them together. And that's what we have, you guys. So I'm gonna divide this little section into 2 because we're gonna apply our extension in the middle. Twist it around and then apply it in the middle. Yeah, I'm just gonna put that in my mouth, right? So I basically put it in the middle, and then I'm gonna put a rubber band just to make that, you know, nice and intact. And that's what we have right there. So next we're going to basically apply a little bit of the beeswax and also a little bit of the Eco Styling Gel if needed, just to make sure that our natural hair blends in while we're twisting it into the extension. When we twist, we want to make sure we twist until we reach the ending of our natural hair. So that's what I'm checking for the other side. Then I'm going to apply a rubber band at that end. Here I'm doing my edges, you guys. I'm not really good at my edges. I be trying though. Yes! It's Halloween up in here. Yes, you guys, so I be going in on this spray. All right, it's okay because my hair be dry. I don't be putting in so much products in my hair. Most of the time you will see my hair dry because I don't like to put a lot of product in my hair. Sometimes I just want to have my hair all natural, but it's not good. I'm not saying that's good. It's not good to have your hair dry. It's good to have it well moisturized at all times, but because I'm a little bit lazy sometimes, I be having my hair dry. So you guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video because I enjoyed making it. Yes. And this is very simple. This is a simple look, something fast, easy, quick, you know, very simple look. So, and you guys saw when I just pulled these out, these were some curly hair that I had a long time ago. I literally had these here a long time ago, just stored in my closet. So I was like looking through my little fake hair, you know, storage that I have going on with my little wigs and, you know, certain stuff that I have stashed that I haven't been using. I was like, let me try to put this here to use and see what kind of hairstyle I could use with this, because I was gonna literally throw this in the garbage, but I was like, nah honey, don't throw this in the garbage. You ain't got money to buy here, okay? And the thing is, with these braids, you just gotta take your time to do the braids. It's all about taking your time, because as you guys seen earlier, I showed you guys how thick my hair really is, and you see how nice and neat this actually came out, you guys. You don't see no frizz, you don't see none of that extra stuff going on here, and it's very nice and secured, like really thick. Like if I could like literally if I tie this hair down for like, let me see, like for like a week, I could rock this for like a week or maybe more. But it's all about how you maintain or manage your hair. So before I leave, I just want to give a big shout out to Modela Slim. Her information is going to be on the screen, and also her information and link will be below in my description if you guys are interested in getting these lashes. Yes, she had sent 2 for me to try them out and see how it is, and honestly, I have to say these are the bomb, girl. I am in love with these lashes, honey, okay? It's like once in a blue moon that I actually wear long lashes, but this is looking really good. Mrs. Beauty Collection, you guys. Mrs. Beauty Collection. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, but this is nice. I really am in love with these lashes, and I just want to say thank you so much, Modela, for sending me these lashes all the way, you guys, all the way from London. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. For you all who are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Yes, and welcome to Franny's channel. See you guys on my other video.